Hello, in this video I am going to discuss about combination of thin lenses in contact. Combination of thin lenses in contact. That means if we have got two thin lenses in contact with each other, what will be the net power of the lens, or what will be the net magnification of the lens? We will find it out. Now here, for example, we have got two lenses, lens A and lens B. Okay, let A and B be the two lenses placed in contact placed in contact with each other, with each other. So let O be the object. O, or you can say let f1 and f2 are the focal length of lens A and B. Okay, f1 is the focal length of lens A, and f2 is the focal length of lens B. Okay, now the object O is placed at a distance u from lens A. Okay, O is the object placed at distance u from lens A. Okay, now this object, you can see from this figure, this is the object O is placed at a distance u from lens A. Its image is forming at I1. You can see I1 is the image formed by lens A of this object O. Okay, now this image is real. Okay, this is a real image that is forming, and this image I1 act as a virtual object for the second lens B, and the final image is forming at I. Okay, so let's write it down. So I1 is the real image of object O placed, okay, object O, okay, made by lens A, okay. And I1 acts as virtual object for the lens B. Okay, and the final image is forming at I. Okay, so I is the final image forming. So from this figure, u is the object distance, the image I1 is at a distance v1, okay, from point P, that is pole, and the final image I is forming at a distance of v from the pole. You can see from this figure. So let's write down the expression for the image formed by lens A. Okay, for the image I1 formed by lens A, what you can write? The formula for lens, focal length of a lens, it is 1 by v1, where v1 is the image distance, okay, minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f1. Since this is for the lens number A, for the lens A, the image distance is v1, since the image is I1, okay. This is equation number 1. Now for the image, this image I1, okay, wait, for the image I, okay, I is the final image. For the image I formed by lens B, what you can write? The formula for lens, it is image distance minus object distance, since the image I1 act as object for the second lens. So this distance V1 act as object distance for the second lens, is equal to 1 by f2, which is the focal length of the second lens. Now if you add this to equation, adding equation 1 and 2, what you will get? 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Now if we consider the two lenses to be a single lens, okay, if for example this is equation number 3, if the two lenses is regarded as one lens, is regarded as single lens, okay, let these two lenses be equivalent to a single lens of focal length f, then what you can write? Equation 3 can be written as 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, okay. This is equation number 4. Now if you compare equation 3 and 4, okay, comparing equation 3 and 4, what you will get? 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2, okay. This is for a two lens system. Similarly you can extend it. Similarly, what you can write for a number of lenses? Similarly, for more than two lenses, okay, more than two lenses, okay, what you can write? 1 by f can be written as 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 plus 1 by f4. If you have got many lenses having focal length f1, f2, f3, f4 like this, we can write the equivalent focal length as this, okay. So what will be the power? You know that power is equal to 1 by focal length. So power you can write as, therefore power of the combination of the lenses is, what will be the power? 1 by f is equal to p, 1 by f1 you can write as p1, 1 by f2 as p2 like this, 1 by f3 is p3, 1 by f4 is p4 like this. So you can see that if we place a number of lenses, thin lenses in contact, their power will be added up. The power of the combination of the lenses will be added up. Okay, this formula is very important from the examination point of view. Okay, for two lens system, you can write this as, for two lens system, 1 by f is p, 1 by f1 is p1, and 1 by f is p2. This is for two lens system. Okay, for two lens system, and this relation is for multiple lens system. Multiple lens system. Okay, so this is the derivation for power of thin lenses in contact. I hope you have understood the video. Thank you.